From professional cricket player to drone operator, Lee Carseldine's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Lee Carseldine, a TV Survivor runner-up and multiple business founder, started Droneit as a solo operator. Initially, Lee flew drones for clients across Australia, but he saw a bigger opportunity in training. With technology advancing and regulations changing, Lee pivoted Droneit to focus on drone training.
The shift to online training wasn't easy. They had to move from face-to-face classes to a custom learning platform.
Lee and his team faced challenges with most LMS solutions, finding them lacking in major functionalities. Then, they discovered LearnWorlds, which offered the perfect blend of custom code, embedding, and social features. LearnWorlds provided the value for money and user-friendliness that Droneit needed to thrive. With LearnWorlds, Droneit became Australia's biggest and most reputable e-training organization. Embrace a culture of experimentation and success, just like Lee Carseldine did with Droneit.